This is a custom appraisal form designed within the HR module of XpertERP. It is built to eliminate bias and save managers roughly 2 hours of paperwork per employee. It looks professional, it's fully automated, and in the next few minutes, we're going to build it from scratch. Let's dive in. On the left side menu, click on the Performance drop-down menu. From there, select Custom Appraisal Forms. On the list page, click the Add New button. This will launch the new Custom Appraisal Form wizard. In the Schedule section, start by entering your form title. Next, select the start date in the form Begins field and the end date in the form Ends field. Now choose your frequency. You can set this to one time, monthly, or every 3, 4, 6, or 12 months. Now specify who will be evaluated. You can select all employees, or only some employees. If you choose some, you can filter by department, employment status, job title, or even specific individual profiles. Multiple respondents can be assigned to this form. To add one, click the Add Respondent button. Options include self, supervisor, head of department, or specific users. Once selected, specify the final score weight for that respondent and click Add. You can repeat this process as many times as needed by clicking Add Respondent again. Under the Authorization workflow, search and select the users who will sign off on the appraisal once it's finished. You have two choices for the workflow logic. First, staged. This means authorizations are collected in sequence. Each person is notified only after the previous one finishes. Second, parallel. Here, all authorizers are notified at the same time and can sign off independently. Click Next to move to the Form Field section. Here, we organize everything into sections and fields. To create a section, click Add Section. Enter your section title and subtitle. If this section involves penalties or bonuses, check the box labeled. This section contains adjustments. Remember, penalties come from disciplinary actions and move in a negative direction, while bonuses come from recognition and move in a positive direction. Enter the section Weightage and click Add. Now let's add fields to our section. You can choose from text, short answer, long answer, tabular, or horizontal lines. Let's add a text field. Type or paste your instructions into the editor. When you're done, click Add. You will see an instant preview of the text on your screen. To add another section, simply click Add Section again, fill in the details, and hit Add. If you need to make changes later, just click on a specific section. From there, you can edit or delete individual fields. You can also edit or delete entire sections using the buttons provided, but be careful. If you delete a section, all fields inside it will be lost. Let's add questions to our KPI section. Select Short Answer from the drop-down. Type your question and mark if it is required. Then select the value type, numeric, text, or financial. For numeric types, be sure to enter the maximum score. On the right-hand side, check the boxes for who can respond to this question. If you want them to explain their rating, tick the Enable Comment box. Click Save to finish the field. For our third section, Personal Development Goals, we will add a long answer field. Enter your question, mark it as required, select your respondents, and click Save. Next, for areas requiring improvement, we will use a tabular response field. Enter the question and type your column headers to build the table. Use the plus button to add more columns. Select your respondents and hit Save. When the form is live, respondents can add as many rows as they need to this table. Now for the Disciplinary Actions section. Check the Adjustments option and select the Negative Performance direction. We will use a short answer field for specific actions, like a verbal warning. Specify the maximum penalty as a percentage, select the respondent, and click Save. You can use this same process for warning letters or suspensions. Our final section is recognitions and awards. This section uses a positive performance direction. Just like before, use a short answer field to add written commendation. Specify the credit value and the respondents, then click Save. You can add awards using the exact same approach. Let's see our work. Click Next to preview the form. Once you're satisfied, click Save. When the success message appears, click Finish. You will be redirected back to your main list. That is how you create a custom appraisal form in XpertERP. From here, XpertERP takes over. When the start date arrives, the system will automatically alert all respondents via email. If you ever need to check the design, click View. If you need to make updates, click Edit to return to the wizard, make your changes, and save again. In our next video, we'll show you how to actually respond to these forms. Thank you for watching, and good luck.